what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? Look, time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get it mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to a new video. If this is your very first time here, my name is Tiana. Hey girl. In this video, y'all, I just got to get my area together because it looks a hot mess. I mean, stuff is just everywhere. And if we are elevating, we have to elevate our space as well. But we are about to get it together. Just sit back and relax and watch me transform my space. Honestly, I don't even know why I had some dadgum lottery tickets down there. I'm gonna look over them. Never know, I could be a winner. I could be wrong though, if there's a point to be. Hey Alexa, play Winter's Diary.
Shuffling Winter's Diary 5 by Tink and Similar Tracks on Amazon Music.
Baby, you broke me down.
Where you putting it?
What? I'm gonna move it over here. Hey y'all, so I just came back in. I went to Target, HomeGoods. No, I didn't go to HomeGoods. I went to Target, Burlington's. Is it called HomeGoods? No, what's the other one? Hobby Lobby. So I went to Target, Burlington, Hobby Lobby, and I think that's it. Needed some little things to, you know, spruce up the area, better organize. So I'm about to do a little haul and show y'all what I got. From Target, I got 4 of these little containers. It's made by Bright Room, and I think these are originally like $6, but they were on sale today for $4.80 that is. So I got 4 of these. I'll just be using these to declutter and reorganize my makeup because my travel makeup case, well, I currently use that for like my clients that I have to do outside of like travel, and I just keep all of my makeup in there. So I do want to compact that and break it down so I'm not just, you know, living out of my makeup case when I'm doing like regular clients and not like clients that I have to travel to. So if y'all want a video on how I condense my makeup case from like travel to regular everyday clients, then let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to get y'all that video. Also, I got one of these little trays as well from Target. It's also made by Bright Room. This was also on sale for $4.80. So I only got one of these because I'm not sure what I'll be able to store in these. I do have another one, so that'll make me having 2 of these. Y'all, I've been obsessed with mushrooms, like little trinkets, and I saw one yesterday at Marshall's and it was only $10. I don't know why I didn't go ahead and pick it up. And Marshall's is like so far away from my house. It's like maybe 15 minutes, and I don't want to be fighting with that traffic over there. This is the closest that I could find to a mush, and this was only $3. So yeah, she's cute. Next we have HomeGoods. Yeah, not home. Why do I keep wanting to call it HomeGoods? It's Hobby Lobby. So y'all, Hobby Lobby be having the best sale on like home stuff. It's always either 40% off or 50% off, no matter what. And you don't need a coupon. It's just automatically that. So I've been obsessed with like leather pillows. Like, y'all see this? And then the quality on this, y'all. I cannot wait to style this. And most of the time when I find leather pillows, the front be leather or pleather, and then the back be like cotton or something. It don't be like leather all the way around. And so I was just looking for a leather pillow, and I'm glad I found it, because I went to Burlington's, and Burlington's, they had 2 leather pillows, and I think it was like $25, but it had like a fishy smell, so I just left that there. And this pillow was, original price was $25.99, but like I said, it was 50% off, so we paid like what, $12.50, something like that. Don't quote me, girl, I ain't that good with math, but yeah, I think it was like $12.50, and you just can't beat that. I started to get 2. I may go back and get the other one, I'm not sure, but yeah, love this. Cannot wait to style this, and I may be styling it in this video, not sure yet. I also got this lamp, and it was on sale. Y'all see it, 50% off, $14.99. But this lamp did not come with a light bulb. And so if you ever been in Hobby Lobby in their light section or lamp section, y'all know like some of the lamps do come with light bulbs, some don't. And I'm like, maybe it's not stealing if I just unscrew one of these bulbs out of another lamp and just put it in here, because I did not feel like going to another store to buy no light bulb. So hopefully the bulb works, not sure. I saw another one, it had like a black vase. No, it was like this same color leather, but it was the base of it. But I thought maybe that was gonna be too matchy, especially if I decide to put that pillow in my area. So I don't know, we shall see, but I do love this lamp. Saw this candle and like get into the details. This candle was $15.99, but it was 40% off. Velvet and tonka bean. Y'all know I love a good tonka bean, okay? And this smells so good. Oh my goodness. It's a soy candle, I believe. No, it's a coconut wax blend. So hopefully this won't give me a headache, because I know the Bath and Body Works candles, they tear your girl head up, so I cannot do those. So we're gonna try this out, and I just felt like it's gonna match the vibes, the aesthetic of what I'm trying to go for in here. So we shall see. Y'all like know I'm into mushrooms. I saw this little candle holder, and it was just so cute. This was 50% off, and so this was $8.99. Paid about $4.50 for this. So cute. Hopefully, I was trying to find like a gold one, but they didn't have it. So this is how I envisioned it looking. So hopefully it looks good once I style everything together. This little ball pillow, y'all, I've been looking for one of these forever, and when I found it on Amazon, it was like $40, $50, and I'm like, hell no, I am not paying that for this little ball pillow. But fortunately for me, today was my lucky day, because they had tons of these, and the original price I believe is $25.99, and this was 50% off, so a steal, baby. I was gonna get like the tan one, and they had like a sage green one, super cute, but your girl is on a budget, because y'all know I'm in nursing school and I don't work full time, so everything's falling on my husband, and he's like, don't go crazy with the card. So had to respect that. So I only just picked up this black one, but I may have a sweet talk him, because I do want the tan one and the sage one. So can't wait to style this. I went to Burlington and I got this long pillow. I don't know if y'all can see it in the entire frame, but like it is very long, and it is so cute. And y'all, like I told y'all, the front be pleather and then the back be like fabric called cotton. So I got this to actually style on my bed for this fall. I think this is going to be super cute. It's been on my Pinterest mood board for some time. I do want to style my bed with like leather accents and stuff, and more Afrocentric pieces. And I saw some beautiful art in Target that was Afrocentric, and y'all, I just cannot wait to like transform my home, because I went from glam style to like more more minimalistic, modern. And now I want to get back to my roots, baby. Where's the color? Bring the color back, and that's what we doing. So I am incorporating more vibrant colors into my home, into my space, because we got to brighten this up. You know, we tired of the tan, nudes, and earth tone colors. So we are going to spruce things up a bit. But yeah, this was, did I tell you what it was? $25? No, it was $20, $19.99. So I picked this up, and yeah, that's going in my bedroom. Next is this painting. It's just like canvas, but like plaster. If y'all can see the details, I'm not sure, but I've been wanting one of these paintings forever, and I was gonna buy one from Amazon, but baby, for $80, $90, she would not be bought. No. And I was thinking about doing it myself, but I'm like, do I really have the time to plaster paint on a canvas and wait for it to dry? No, I do not. And so I saw this in Burlington's, and I think it was $25, maybe. Let me see. No, it was $30. And so it is huge. Like, it don't even fit in the frame. I'm gonna hang this on the wall in this area, and let's just hope for the best. I'm sure it's gonna look cute. I do want to get like what do they call it? Oh, a picture light, but they don't sell regularly in the stores, at least where I am. So I am going to order a gold picture light to go over this, but we are going to hang this in this video and just get the area all nice and cute to my liking, baby, because this area was a hot mess, and I'm just so grateful and thankful for my husband for helping me get my area together. So let's get back to cleaning up and organizing.
This ain't gonna work.
What? Oh, you gotta cut these off. Loving the way that my area has turned out, y'all. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, and I'm just so glad that I was blessed and able enough to do this. The area looks amazing. I cannot wait to add my little finishing touches. If y'all want to see more content like this, more home updates, just let me know down below in the comments. I will have everything down below in the description box, so please make sure that you check that out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one, babes. Mwah. Bye.